Hi, and welcome to your first calculations video to accompany your pre-reg examiner newsletter. So this first video is really just an introduction to concentrations. And what I've done, I've picked two products where the manufacturers express the strength in two different ways so that we can get a feel for converting between two units. So looking first at the Dermovate, here the manufacturer has told us that 1 gram contains 0.5 milligrams of the active ingredient. So our amount strength is 0.5 milligrams in 1 gram. But they've also told us that the percentage strength is 0.05% weight in weight. Now these look a little bit different on paper, don't they? So how can we tell that these are the same thing? We'll test that theory. So first, let's remind ourselves what percentage strength weight in weight means. And basically 1% weight in weight would be 1 gram in 100 grams. So percent means per 100, and it's always the number of grams in 100 grams, never milligrams. So this means there are 0.05 grams of clobetasol in each 100 grams of ointment. Now we want to test that that's the same as 0.5 milligrams in 1 gram, so let's convert this to milligrams by multiplying by 1,000, because there's 1,000 milligrams in every gram, and that tells us that there is tells us that there are 50 milligrams in 100 grams. So 50 divided by 100 to get the amount in each gram gives us 0.5 milligrams. So that demonstrates that 0.5 milligrams in 1 gram is the same as 0.05% weight in weight. We'll look now at the adrenaline injection. So the manufacturers here tell us that this is 1 milligram in 1 mil. And they're also telling us that this is 1 in 1,000. Again, they look really quite different, so how can these be the same? Again, I'm going to look at the ratio strength this time. What this means is 1 gram in 1,000 mils. Again, it's always grams, never milligrams. But we want to see if this is the same as 1 mg per mil. So let's convert it to milligrams by timesing by 1,000. So this tells us that we have 1,000 milligrams in 1,000 mils, which is exactly the same. We divide both by 1,000, so that's exactly the same as 1 milligram per mil. So the same strength or the same concentration written in two different ways can look entirely different. So I hope this video helps to give you a bit more of a feel of how to convert between different expressions.